Hello everyone, in today's video I'm just going to show you a quick video on how to install the headlight on this 2021 Expedition headlight. So let's get started. So before you start, you want to make sure the headlight lens is clean. So clean it with slip solution, apply slip solution. And when doing the installation for this one, you want to make sure you start off on this end first of the headlight. So you just want to align it to the headlight. So then right here, we're going to align it. Once it's aligned, we're going to tack it down. Tack it down. So with this one, you are going to have this square. The reason we have it here is because in case you do need to lift up the film or stretch it up, we have this tab here. That way you guys could stretch or move the film to your liking. After the end of the installation, if you do want to remove the tab, you can simply just trim it, or you can leave it there. It hides within the hood, so it should be fine. So continue on. So you want to tack this portion down first. Because of this curve that the headlight has, it does have a cutout, as you can see here. So we want to make sure we tack down this half first. Once this one's done, you move on to the bottom side. So you just want to align it to the rest of the headlight. With these fingers right here, the way you're going to go about it is, if you can't squeegee them down, then we're going to have to use the heat gun. Once this part is tacked down, we work our way onto the other side, which is on this end. So we're going to have to stretch the film up to where it meets the end right here. We're going to peel it off a bit, add slip solution, and then from there just stretch up to where it meets the end of the headlight. So you want to make sure to remove these fingers. You stretch to this end, and then you're able to remove most of the fingers. And once they're removed, the next thing would be to heat them up. And then same down here. So once this is tacked down, you stretch that way right here. And it's just tacking down once you stretch. Now for this part, there is going to be a curve. So right here, you're going to have some fingers. If you do, it's just the same thing. Just apply tack solution on the film and just tack it down to the curve as much as you can. Because afterwards with heat, it'll sit more better. So you just want to bring as much as you can here. So this concludes our installation video for the Expedition 2021 headlight. If you guys do have any questions in regards to the installation, just feel free to leave a comment below or message us, and we'll be happy to help you guys out. Until then, see you guys on the next video.